How to invest in stocks on Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you how to invest in stocks on Cash App. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app. From there, make sure you tap on the home or bank icon that appears at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you do that, this other page appears here. On this page, make sure you scroll down and come to the Explore section. Under the Explore section, there are more options as you can see here. From those options, make sure you tap on this one here, named Stocks. You will land on this page where you will see all the different stocks that you can buy on Cash App. You can also go to the search bar at the top section and search for the specific stock you would like to invest in. Next, when the stock appears on the search results, make sure you tap on it. On the next page, you will see a section where there is some important information on the stock, such as the stock price and the percentage the stock has increased. To invest in the stock, all you have to do is tap on this option here, named Buy. A menu appears where you can select the amount of the stock you would like to invest. You can also choose the type of order by tapping on this option here. This other page appears where you can choose between Auto Invest and a custom purchase order. So go ahead and choose between them. To enter a custom amount, tap on the three dots that appear here. After that, on this other page, go ahead and enter the amount you would like you spend. After that, tap here, Next. Then proceed with the rest of the steps, which are straightforward. The process is that simple. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to invest in stocks on Cash App.